Okay, everyone, I want to show you all how to type in your student Six Flags reading logs. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Six Flags Read to Succeed website, 2018 through 19. Sorry about that. I'm not on Chrome, so everything wasn't saved. Alright, so now you log in with your email address. Hopefully everyone has registered. If you have not, the directions to register is on the blog. Yeah, I was able to log in. Okay, I'm back. I had to ring up some students for the book fair. But now that I'm logged into my account, what I need to do is go to my students. And I have a paper here from Miss Garrett. Her student, Adriana Valentine, grade 1. On the sheet it says that she has read a total of 6 hours, and I'm going to add her. And that's all you do, folks. Let me know if you have any questions about how to enter your students after you enter them all in. So mark complete. Mark your submission complete only after you have finished entering all of your students and their hours. Verify that all of your profile information is correct. Verify that your park selection is correct. Are sure that you want us to allocate your tickets. Okay? So I just wanted to show you all how to do this. Ms. Garrett, I will be erasing Adriana's name from my list, and you can add her to yours. Thank you.